Good morning from Chobe National Park in Botswana. This video starts right now. Let's go. So yes, welcome back to Chobe National Park and the Chobe River here in Botswana. We have just started the journey. I'm traveling with Brendan Van Son and a group of intrepid photographers, and we are going to be exploring sort of the northern area of Botswana for the next 10 days. You guys are in for a treat. I'm hoping to make a few videos, at least 2, maybe 3. I've got a new lens with me, the Sony 200-600, so I'm hoping to try and make a bit of a safari style video with that one. But today we've driven here to Botswana to link up with Kalahari Tours, who would be the local operator that we're working with, and they've got these amazing Land Cruisers. For those of you who watch the channel often, you know it's like a dream vehicle of mine. Toyota Land Cruiser, just the perfect vehicle for this adventure. There's no windows, it's totally open, and we're going to be in these vehicles for the next 10 days exploring northern Botswana. So you guys are in for an absolute treat, starting right here in Chobe National Park, the Chobe River. We've got these buffalo, and water buck just in the background. It's probably about 11 o'clock, so it's middle of the day. Not the best time for safari, but a great time to be out on the river for us. And this is really just the beginning. So I'm gonna try and make at least 2 or 3 videos from this trip. So stay tuned, they're gonna be great. We are back. This is the end of day number 1. I tried to do a little piece to camera in the safari vehicle. Very difficult, almost impossible, to be honest. I don't think I'm going to be vlogging much from the safari vehicle. Yeah, what'd you think? First day?
Yeah, it was kind of terrible. Only got a leopard in front of the moon. Yeah, it was crazy.
It's a super moon tomorrow, so we're all pretty stoked. And yeah, this was just an awesome first day. There's a few people that are part of the group that have never been on safari before, first time to Southern Africa. And we just saw 4 of the big 5, dude, in one day.
Which is this big 4 here because there's no
rhinos. Yeah, so we saw all of the big 4 in Chobe National Park. Absolute banger first day. And if you haven't noticed, we got some new merchandise here.
Look at my breast.
Boom. Brendan and I have been testing the sample merch, and we're doing it through a print-on-demand service called Printful. So, you know, no bells and whistles. It's pretty simple stuff, but yeah, it goes a long way to making you look cool. We're also sharing a room, which is making us look cool. Good morning, Tisa.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Good.
Brendan, how are you?
I'm wonderful.
And good morning from the next day. It is just before 6 a.m. and we're heading out on safari. Let's see if we can see more animals in Chobe National Park. Let's go, let's go. This is not the start of the video, but that's fun to do anyway. All right.
What is that? Are you ready for safari?
Are you guys ready? Yeah, born ready. Let's move. All right.
How is the audio?
Oh,
You haven't tested it at all?
no,
Do you know if it's directional?
probably.
Can you hear me this way? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Connected. Am I all over the place? How was your morning?
Great.
Did you see the baby jackals? They were so cute.
I have to keep my voice down. Chobe National Park, Botswana, surrounded by elephants. It's very harsh light this afternoon, but we're back in Chobe National Park, and Game Drive is on full mode here because we're looking at about 50 elephants in the background. Very, very hard to see, but I got a little bit of B-roll of them, and we were just saying in the car that this is the kind of experience that you can't really capture on film or even photo because the heat haze is really quite strong. But to be here and witness it is, you know, part of the travel experience in general. So this is very cool. Even though we can't get great photos, you can see 50 elephants in one place. And this might be the last time, AOP, that we see this many elephants in one place?
So,
On this trip?
yeah, we might see elephants, but not as many as we have seen.
Not this many. Hey guys, this is Opie, by the way, with Kalahari Tours. He's the main man. He's the one driving the vehicle, organizing everything, telling us everything we need to know.
Thank you guys for appreciating.
Thank you for appreciating. I'm wearing the mic, so it's hard for them. Should we give props? Fine, bro. Shop.
Cheers, brother.
We made it to camp. My goodness. I am a sweaty, dusty, dirty mess. But here we are. This looks awesome. Camping in Chobe National Park. You got flies already?
Yeah. There wasn't flies until you showed up.
Oh, it's because I'm sweaty and dusty and
All
dirty.
of a sudden you rocked
Oh
up.
man, I feel like I could shower for days.
There is a shower
We haven't even
tent.
started- No. Ooh, look at this. This looks so sick. Wow.
I think we was.
Awesome.
That would be great.
This looks amazing.
I don't know why it was really intense like that.
What do you think of the camp?
I think the camp is awesome. I liked that your tent is there and mine is on the opposite side.
I like that too, actually. We were sharing last night, as you guys know, and we were meant to share again tonight, but not gonna happen. Two separate cots.
Are we gonna go see a supermoon or something?
That's the idea. Supermoon rising.
Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna try and vlog from the safari vehicle. We're leaving the camp behind and heading out to try and photograph the supermoon. So we got a few people in the group that are avid photo pills users, myself included. I'm learning every day, but we've been trying to figure out how to use photo pills to set a plan to find the supermoon. So that is hopefully going to be an awesome end to this video, because tomorrow we're heading to Savuti. So don't go away just yet. We have to go find the supermoon.
He's the big guy with the big astronomer here, OP.
Yes, with Opie, the boss man driver. You're gonna let me drive the vehicle?
No.
No. Sadly, this is a dream vehicle. You guys know that. I said at the start of the video. So yeah, let's head towards the Chobe River and see if we can find the supermoon.
I think it's gone.
So we were on our way to find a perfect location for the supermoon, and we got distracted by another leopard. Unbelievable. You've now seen, we've seen 3. I've definitely showed you 2 in this video. But yesterday we got an amazing photo opportunity, and today's even better, right at sunset. So unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Leopard, again, with perfect light.
Let's go.
too bright. Oh my God. So the super moon is right behind me. You can see it there. And our awesome driver, Opie, who's my assistant at the moment, drove us down to just the perfect location, just off one of the main roads on the side of the Chobe River. And we got this beautiful dead tree as a subject and a silhouette. And I'm starting to lose my voice. So I hope I got a nice photo of this. I'm going to have to do a bit of a composite where I take, one image of the moon, one image of the tree, mix them together in Photoshop, and you will see the results. So that's the end of a very long first video here in Botswana, but absolutely fantastic, incredible start to this series. And stay with us, because in the next video, we're heading further south down towards Savuti.
Savuti.
So close. Savuti. It's going to be incredible. So I'll see you in that video. Shop.
Thank you, sir. Shop. Bye.